Welcome back to the Animal Vault. Today, we're counting down the top 10 animals with superpowers in real life. Now, superheroes may exist in movies, but out in the wild, there are animals with abilities so unique, so jaw-dropping, that they seem straight out of comic books. We'll meet creatures that can punch like a bullet, shock their enemies with electricity, regrow entire body parts, and even reverse aging itself. Stick around for number 1, a creature that may just hold the secret to immortality. A 10 octopus. At number 10, the octopus. This sea genius can change both its color and texture in seconds, blending perfectly with its surroundings. Some species even mimic dangerous animals like lionfish or sea snakes to scare off predators. But that's not all. Octopuses can squeeze through holes no bigger than a coin, thanks to their boneless bodies. Combine that with their intelligence. They open jars, solve puzzles, and escape aquariums. And you've got a real-life shapeshifter with brains. A 9 electric eel. At number 9, the electric eel. This shocking creature produces up to 600 volts of electricity, 5 times the voltage of a standard wall socket. It uses this power to stun prey, defend itself, and even navigate murky water through electric pulses. In South America, locals once reported horses collapsing after stepping into rivers filled with eels. Scientists are even studying electric eels to design new medical implants and energy storage systems. It's nature's living power generator. 8 mantis shrimp. At number 8, the mantis shrimp. Don't let its small size fool you. This little crustacean packs the fastest punch in the animal kingdom. Its strike is so fast it boils the water around it, creating tiny bubbles that collapse in an explosive shockwave strong enough to crack glass tanks. On top of that, mantis shrimp have the most advanced eyes in the world, seeing ultraviolet, polarized light, and colors invisible to humans. They're like superheroes with both deadly weapons and supervision. 7 tardigrade. At number 7, the tardigrade, or water bear. These microscopic animals are practically unkillable. They can survive being frozen, boiled, starved, blasted with radiation, and even launched into outer space. When conditions get tough, tardigrades dry out into a crystal-like form and wait, sometimes for decades, before rehydrating and coming back to life. They're the ultimate survivors, and scientists study them for clues to space travel and human medicine. If there's ever a nuclear apocalypse, tardigrades will probably inherit the Earth. 6 chameleon. At number 6, the chameleon. These reptiles don't just change color to hide, they also use it to communicate emotions and intentions. A male might flash bright colors to show aggression, or soft tones to attract a mate. Their skin contains special cells called chromatophores that manipulate light to create incredible patterns. And let's not forget their tongues, which can shoot out faster than the blink of an eye, stretching longer than their own bodies. Add in eyes that move independently, and you've got the ultimate stealth operative. 5 pistol shrimp. At number 5, the pistol shrimp. This tiny shrimp has a claw that snaps shut so fast it creates a bubble bullet. When the bubble collapses, it produces a shockwave louder than a gunshot and hot enough to briefly reach the surface temperature of the sun. That blast stuns or kills prey instantly. Some pistol shrimp even use this ability to build burrows, blasting away sand and debris. It's like carrying a built-in sonic cannon, one of the loudest weapons in the ocean, from one of the smallest creatures. 4 gecko. At number 4, the gecko. These lizards are real-life wall crawlers. Their feet are covered in microscopic hairs called setae that use molecular forces to stick to surfaces. This allows geckos to climb walls, glass, and even hang upside down effortlessly, all without glue. They can also regrow their tails when needed. Scientists are copying their foot design to create futuristic adhesives, climbing suits, and even rescue gear. Spider-Man might be fiction, but geckos are the real deal. 3. Archerfish. At number 3, the archerfish. These fish are natural sharpshooters. They spit powerful jets of water to knock insects off branches into the water. But here's the genius part. They correct for refraction, the way light bends in water, which humans struggle with. They can hit targets up to 6 feet away with sniper-like accuracy. Some even work in teams, spraying repeatedly until their prey falls. It's a spit-powered weapon system built into a humble little fish. 2. Salamander. At number 2, the salamander. This amphibian has the closest thing to comic book healing powers. Lose a limb? They grow it back. Damage the spinal cord? It regenerates. They can even regrow parts of their hearts and brains. Most animals scar when injured, but salamanders rebuild the original tissue almost perfectly. Scientists hope to unlock this power for human medicine. Imagine one day regrowing lost limbs. The salamander doesn't just survive injuries, it undoes them. 1. Immortal jellyfish. And at number 1, the immortal jellyfish. Known as Turritopsis dohrnii, this tiny jellyfish has mastered the ultimate superpower, the ability to reverse aging. When stressed, injured, or old, it reverts its adult cells back into juvenile form, essentially starting life all over again. In theory, it can repeat this cycle endlessly, making it biologically immortal. Predators can still eat it, but unlike any other known animal, it doesn't seem to die of old age. The immortal jellyfish may hold secrets that could one day revolutionize our understanding of human aging. And that's our countdown of the top 10 animals with superpowers in real life. From explosive shrimp and shocking eels to color-changing chameleons and wall-crawling geckos, these animals prove that nature has already created its own superheroes. Some of their powers could even inspire future human technology, like adhesives from geckos or regeneration secrets from salamanders. But the most incredible of all is the immortal jellyfish, which challenges our very idea of life and death. Which superpower would you want to have? Comment below, and let's see which one comes out on top. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Animal Vault for more mind-blowing animal countdowns every week.